2006 Subaru Outback XT. What we got done on it for you guys is got high flow cats right there and one on the manifold. Then we put an HP2 FLOWMASTER, then 2.5 inch pipe all the way back, and then put a turn down on it because they wanted it hidden. So that's what we did right there. There it is, 2.5. There, and like always guys, please like, comment, and subscribe. This is everything we cut off. There's the two mufflers, there's a resonator, everything's been cut off right there. Let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. What do you think? Exactly what you were looking for? Now research those, they're FLOWMASTER HP2s, they're called. It's made for performance without a lot of sound. Your sound decibels? Again, right at 100 decibels, that's perfect. Go ahead and back it up. See, we're the full thing. Sound decibel, welding, exhaust, HP2, FLOWMASTERs, a little bit of everything. And you get the personal touch. He was mad at the other muffler, so he brought it to us. That's perfect. Let you guys hear on that side. Subaru Outback 2.5 XT. Perfect.